Good morning. My name is Rohit Maheswari and I am pursuing BSc Honours in Geography from Aligarh Muslim University. My roll number is 19GGB105 and enrollment number is GL6344. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about Millennium Development Goals and their targets. Let's start with MDG. MDG. MDG stands for Millennium Development Goals. And before we begin, we should know about the some past and origin. So in 2006 to 8 September, 195 countries and other big organization gathered at UNO platform in New York and signed the Millennium Declaration. Millennium Declaration, in which 8 goals, 21 targets, and achieve this target by 2050. And objective of these MDG to make the world as a better living place. And we will discuss on these 8 goals and their respective target one by one. So start with goal number 1. Goal 1. Goal 1 is to eradicate extreme poverty and hunger. So before we begin, we should know about the poverty. According to UN, a person who lives less than $1.69 per day. A person who earns less than $1.69 per day is living under a poverty. And hunger, it is a state or condition in which a person does have a basic nutrition to food themselves. And for rural, it requirement is 2400 calorie, and for urban it's 2100 calorie. And now let's discuss about their target. Target 1 is half the population by 2015 who lives under the poverty. And target second is half the population by 2015 who suffer from hunger. And target third is to provide fair job in all kind of section and communities. And now discuss about goal number 2. Goal number Two is to achieve primary universal primary education. Primary education. In universal means boys plus girls, and primary education means according to UN a child between 0 to 7 years age should complete their 4 years of schooling. And goal number 2 has one target, and the target is to ensure all the children everywhere in the world to get the primary education by 2015. And the goal number 3 is to promote gender equality and empower women. Gender is a term which related to biological. No, it's a social term. Sorry. Equality means give equal opportunities to women in all fields. All fields, and empower to give privilege. And it has also one target to eliminate gender disparity in primary and secondary education. And provide job access and give the power to make decisions, and also a parliamentary power. And now goal number 4 is to reduce child mortality rate, and it has one target, and the target is to reduce 2/3 infant mortality rate under the 5 types, and these types are in prenatal mortality rate. The child whose death occurs within first week of birth, after birth, and neonatal. A child whose death occurs in 28 days after birth, and infant mortality rate, death occurs within 5 weeks after birth, and child mortality rate, death occurs under the 5 years of age. And last is mother's mother's mortality rate, and the death occurs within 42 days during the time of pregnancy. Complication just like malaria, diarrhea and dengue. And the goal number 5 is to improve maternal health, and in which to target. And the target one is reduce by 3 quarters the maternal mortality ratio. And the second target is achieve universal access to reproductive maternal women. And the goal number 6 is to combat HIV, AIDS, malaria and other disease. And it has 3 targets, and these targets are: target number 1 is halve the population of HIV by 2015, and target 2 also halve the population by 2015 of other major disease like malaria, dengue and diarrhea. And target 3 is to provide the access of treatment for HIV, AIDS for all those who need it. Under this target for HIV and AIDS treatment, a returnable therapy treatment is discovered in America, which saved the life approximately 66 billion people, 6 million, sorry. And goal number 6 is to ensure environmental sustainability, in which there are 4 targets, and these targets are reduce biodiversity loss by 2010 and achieve significant improvement in the lives of 100 million people who lives in slum areas. And third target is to halve the population without sustainable access of safe drinking sanitation, and the last target is integrate the principle of sustainable development into country possible. And the target number 8 is target number 8 is goal number 8 is to develop global partnership for development, to develop global partnership for development, in which there are 6 targets, and these targets are to assess or help for the basic needs or address of the least developed countries and small islands and landlocked countries, and to pay the debts of developing countries and help for further development.